What's good, gang? What's goody, what's goody, what's goody? Let me... Let me go ahead and finish all this stuff, guys, and then we'll go ahead and start breaking down some charts. That's the plan. Let's see. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, I'm always comfy. Buys on GJ to 160 and more. Yeah, possibly. But I kind of don't like that we're coming up here slowly, you know? But yeah, it could happen. The other day I was looking for sells and this shit just kept ripping up. So I'm not going to have a bias today. I kind of just want to see exactly, you know, what can happen. And just follow price. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with NAS 100, right? NAS 100, let's go up to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we clearly see that we have this little area of resistance right over here that we came and we double topped that, right? This was yesterday. Amir is here. Yeah. Okay, so like I was saying, right over here, you guys clearly see, you know, a support level over here, resistance over here. Now we have to see if this level is on a daily level here. Yeah, so as you can see, these are just wicks. So taking sells at this area here can be very risky because we haven't had a daily candle close under there, right? Now we have this level of resistance over here on the hourly time frame that we really have to pay attention to. Why do we have to pay attention to this level here? Is because we're in the middle of the range, right? So usually what happens that when we're in the middle of a range, price will come up to that area, right? Once we break that area, it'll continue to the upside. Now if we were to respect that area, we can come back down to the bottom of the range. So being in the middle of the range, I like to just kind of stay away because it's like the 50-50 zone, right? Where I would want to take some entries at is either here, over here, and down, right? Or I want to take some entries, you know, here, to continue up. But I think what's best is just being patient here at this area, because we do have a lot of like choppiness over here in this area that it could stop price from pushing up cleanly, right? So something to keep in mind, right? But looking at it from a standpoint for buys, you know, we came all the way up here and we dragged them back this fib here. Boom, from here to here, that's probably like a 382 rejection. You get your 382 rejection to then possibly continue to the upside, right? Which is exactly what happened. We tapped into that area, respected our SMAs. Now, if we continue to respect this 8 SMA, I'm expecting price to just push up, right? Because notice how when we're bearish, you know, the blue SMA really acts like a bully, right? And then when we're bullish, it's acting like a bully here as well. So keep that in mind, and just be patient. But right over here, you know, we're starting to get like this gambler candle setup here, which is right at this little zone. So you have to be careful with this zone because it is choppy there. Let me go ahead and fix up this zone here a bit. Nas clear to 1200. Yeah, easily, right? And that's also in confluence with our take profit levels on this Fibonacci. But just be patient. Have we broke previous highs on what, bro? On Nas, yeah, clearly, you know, we broke these highs over here. But we have these highs over here, right? Which caused the resistance that brought price down all the way over here, right? Then we respected that area again to then come down. And I'm overall bearish, guys. Like, on Nas, like, look how many lows we've broken, right? Like, these lows were broken. We tested these lows. You know, all of these lows were broken. And if you look at the bigger time frames, like, look how bearish we are. Like, yeah, this could be now a support level, but I think there's a lot more room to go down. But we can scalp it to the upside, right? Like, this was coronavirus over here. We're already like very, very down overall, right? So, you know, we could also be coming back for like a Fibonacci of this whole move. We've just been very, very, very inflated in the stock market. Like, a lot of people know that, you know, this push all happened because the government was dumping money into people's accounts. So what did people do with it? They went to the stock market and they bought a whole bunch of stocks, which makes these stocks rise, right? The NAS 100 rise, US 30 rise, which is what gave it this big push. But now that it seems like we're going to like a recession, right? It could be definitely possible. Now we're gonna get that correction to, you know, balance out the stock market and not keep it so inflated. Right? Whatever comes up has to come down. That's exactly what you're seeing right here. Check out weekly. Check out weekly. We've been bearish for 9 weeks. Let's take a look. Weekly, we've been bearish for 9. Yeah. So I mean, I guess you're right. Maybe we can get one bullish week, right? Because yeah, we were coming down here, but we had a retracement of the move, right? So if it can come here and then retrace, but I think we're gonna keep coming down. Yeah. Hey Daniel, sir. Hey sir. I have it going to that 618 zone on daily. Nice. Yeah, I think we can definitely come down all the way over there. But this is a massive fib though. Who knows? We'll see what happens. But you guys gotta be careful with this zone here. I don't know if I should try here or here. We're gonna retrace to at least 13K before dropping back down. Possibly. Banks are hiding at 1.1500. Today's breakdown. One five down over here. What do you mean banks are hiding? What does that mean, sir? Let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, so let's look at gold here now. Alright, and GJ, I just feel like we're in a channel right now, right? So what can we do? We could easily just... We're in this channel. So if we continue in the channel, you sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. But what I'm expecting when we're in a channel is that we are eventually going to come down and break these lows. Why? Because we're not impulsing to the downside, we're trickling up. Meaning, so impulse, right? Impulse, then we get like correction phase to a certain level to then leave. They are pumping money in there, that's their position. Oh, okay. Yeah, so okay, I understand. So like if price comes down there, they don't want it to go lower. Makes sense. What happened yesterday on GJ though? Let's see. I think we were live around what? Oh, we were live over here. I was telling you guys that I was bearish though. And we also caught this gold trade here, right over here. Yesterday after the stream. It was like based off the 5-minute time frame. I think if you guys saw my TikTok, you guys know why we took it. But if you didn't see the TikTok, you have it right here. Boom, boom. Once I saw the 764, I was like, okay, I'm in. Price came up, then bled, bro. That show's gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What happened to the giveaway? Yeah, we'll be doing the giveaway today if you want. All you guys have to do is follow me on TikTok. Let's do follow me on TikTok for giveaway. Let's see. Stereo. Yeah, it was easy. It was easy trading day for me yesterday, definitely. We took a sell here to here as well. It was pretty simple. We haven't lost this week, which is just fire. What are we waiting for here? $850. I think that's a little bit risky. Yeah, we can sell at that area, but I'd rather get some more confirmations that we're breaking higher low structure, right? So like, where's our higher low structure in this market structure? It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. It could be here, but this is like, it's not real structure, you know? It's just like a little retracement. But I mean, you guys can sell under here to then possibly continue down to our area down over here. Oh damn, my bad, bro. I see a sell on GJ. Yeah, I see a sell on GJ as well. But guys, it's still extremely early. I'm not gonna get in an early position. I think that's one of the main reasons why we haven't lost this week is because we're sticking to the session, right? We're trading when there's a lot of volume in the market. So when there's volume in the market, you get to actually, you know, get the impulse you need in order to break a zone or to stay within the zone. So, or to bounce and actually volume pushing price to a certain direction. And just the JPY pairs are just very choppy right now. US 30. Do you play games? Nah, bro. Tell us something about EJ. All right, let's take a look here at EJ. EJ, let's go to the daily time frame and see what we've been doing, right? The thing about GJ, EJ, and all these pairs is that we've came down to this Fibonacci and we respected it, bro. Look at that perfect 56.8, 50 rejection. And then we start to get bullish candles, right? So I'm thinking that this was that retracement that price needed to bring it back to this area here to possibly then push it up. Because then look how many reversals we've had at this area, right? You have this area here. Let me go ahead and grab my little thing. So notice this, right? We have rejection here, rejection here, rejection there, right? Here too, here. So now what can happen here? We're gonna reject, right? It's a reversal zone. Now you can look at it as support resistance, but this is a reversal area for the market, right? Now, as long as we stay below this lows over here, I think that we can continue coming down. So I'm pretty bearish, but we gotta see, because we are coming back up all the way back up here. So and then again, we faked out the buyers here on the 4-hour time frame. A lot of people held their trade from over here thinking it's just gonna rip through the zone, right? But it faked out, showed you, you know, that price wanted to fly here, didn't fly, bearish engulfing candle to come back in the range. That could have been a good sell as well. But I think we're bearish. So I would look for some sell entries whenever you guys get the chance. The banks are there because they activated sell stops at 11700, push price down to 11500, then pumped up to 12k, created orders for buys, clapped the buyers, came down to 11575. Now we're going to for order block. Okay, seems legit. So where would your order block be, bro? Let me know, Manuel. What do you think about XU? Is that gold? XAU USD. That's a 5 rejection for the 4-hour. But same thing, guys. We impulse to the downside. We're coming back up like with not a lot of momentum. I think But then again, we are bullish, right? We switched the trend over here. We have a trend over here, or like it's just coming down here. I don't want to draw a trend line because the trend line is kind of ugly. But we came down, and then what happened here, right? Where's our lower high structure? Let me go ahead and do some. So right here, you guys have lower high, lower high, lower high, right? Lower low. Once we broke out of this lower high structure here, price came up, created a high, low, high, low, high, low, and we've just been trending up now. So can this be the low? Definitely. To continue up. Let's take a look at Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Euro NZD. What's happening here on Euro NZD? Damn, Euro NZD nutted in the past 4-hour candle. Let's see how you guys could have possibly executed this position, right? Here, Euro NZD came up to the level of interest, right? This is our level of interest, right? Because clearly every time we come up, we reject, start having big impulse to the downside. So after seeing that, you understand that, okay, price can go bearish at this level. So now all you have to do is read market structure, right? We have a small trend line going from here to here. Once we broke out of that trend line, what do we have to do, right? You have to come back for a Fibonacci or a retracement or a retest of that trend line if you want to keep it simple, right? Right here you have your Fibonacci, 764 rejection. Price is giving you the most discounted price to continue down, right? Now let's say you didn't enter here, but this candle here told you the story. Hold up, this is way too... So as you can see right here, price showed you the story, right? Rejection to our zone, respecting highs. Now this is lower high structure. What comes after lower high? Lower lows. Feel me? And then you could also take sells here, impulse entry sells to continue down. Pretty simple, but for now, we came down to this zone here. So I believe that if we break that zone, you can then have a clean candle move down to your zone over here. But you have to be careful because price might want to retrace this whole move. But this should be a nice move. Yeah, 65 pips. You got it, bro. Thanks, bro. Let's take a look at Euro USD. Wow, Euro USD has just been rallying to the upside, so I would be looking for buys. Yeah, I think buys will be safer for Euro USD. Now we could get a retracement, but I feel like if you take a sell here, we might just come down to this little zone here, pick up buyers to then continue up. So just be patient on that there. Thoughts on GU? I haven't traded GU in so long. Oh my god. Same thing for GJ. I see on GU. Yeah, so the same thing. As long as we're under here, I'm looking for sells. Thanks, Max. Thank you. Euro GBP. I don't like trading those pairs because it's two main pairs, so it's better just to, you know, not look at two main pairs, because you need one of them to either be very weak or one of them to be very strong for these pairs to stop raging, right? So I would stay away from these pairs. But damn, this buy was massive. But that was most likely news. Thank you for the sub, man. It means a lot. But yeah. Euro JPY, NAS 100, US 30. Yeah. I'm just waiting to see what Euro JPY is gonna do here. And we'll see if we can write it down all the way over here to 135, 750. I kind of want to trade a NAS though. But we're gonna be patient. Let's see. Like I said, I would be careful with selling GBP USD. Well, no, you actually, yeah, but you're trading the range, right? So trading ranges is also very, very sketchy, right? But let's say if you were to sell it right now, you keep stops. You have to keep stops above this range here. Have to, right? But yeah, this is a nice sell because we haven't broken highs, right? To continue down all the way over here. And then possibly even make new lows. But yeah, I like sells. I'm bearish on GBP though. So. Top of that 30-minute range, yeah. Definitely, bro. You can definitely do that. XRP to 0.15, 20 cents will be sexy dollar. Make sure you load up then. Facts. No, yeah, definitely, bro. Definitely, XRP is one of my favorite cryptos. So I'm just. Oh, this is market cap. Wow, we're at 40. Once you clear this zone right here, look how manipulated Forex, AK Forex. Look how manipulated crypto is, bro. Like someone here with a lot of money is buying right under 40 cents, which is interesting, bro. Because guess what? I think that they just want it at a better price, bro. I feel bad for everyone bought up here. Dude, I know people who were buying here and buying here and buying here, thinking it was just gonna fucking rip up, bro. And then now they're like eating shit, you know? They're down almost what? More than 50%. But that's why you have to be smart with your investments and not over risk on your investments. And dollar cost average, definitely. Definitely though, Reek. I'm prepared, sir. Because when I first bought XRP, I had like 13, 15, 17. Those were my first buy-ins on XRP. One three four, or 114. But wait, there's an order block at 134. Here? Do you think we're gonna come back all the way up here? Possibly. Yeah. This is a risky trade though, guys. So don't go crazy. I'm not in this trade. This is just a trade idea. I'm gonna take that off before people think that we're acting. Exactly. Wait and react. That's beautiful. Still trying to figure out dollar cost averaging GJ. You can't. GJ's too volatile, I think. The dollar cost average, in my opinion. Unless you're throwing very, very small lots. 200 SMAs on H1 is 124 400. Yeah, I guess we are very far from that SMA, right? For Nas, not high probably, but probability, but could try to tap that estimate. Yeah, definitely. No 4-hour candle came though, so bebecita. You guys think UJ could sell? What do you think about FTMO? I don't think of FTMO. FTMO tried me, brother, so I don't recommend them to no one. Like, yeah, they're the biggest company, whatever, they have a lot of freaking users and shit, but not good, sir. Is Daniel Savage banned from what? Daniel Savage's Instagram is I'm Daniel Savage. We gotta fill out a balance no matter what fact. FTMO K Nations. Fact. Yeah. I mean, bro, has anybody had a problem with Nations payouts? No. Okay, so we're just gonna leave that at that. Oh, they didn't pay me out because I closed the position right before the news, or like right after the news. But if you guys know me, I don't check my Forex factory like ever. Yeah, so my SMA settings are right here. Boom, and then 8 and 50. Yeah, I know, but I guess I broke one of their rules, right? I broke like the news rule, so that's why they didn't pay me out. But at the end of the day, if it's a live account and you're able to trade as a real trader, like real traders can trade the news, real accounts can trade news. So it's just one of their little rules to stop you from making more money when those news do hit, you know. So and they're not for the people, sir. So that's all I'm saying. But yeah, FTMO, I mean, they pay out, yeah, but like, the rules aren't for the trader. The rules are for FTMO. Does that make sense? Be careful here in the first 15 minutes of this 4-hour candle, guys. This could just be the low and then break highs. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's not even a valid reason. But it's their rules. It's their company. You know, they can do whatever they want, I guess. Toca. Loca. Definitely, bro. Definitely, sir. Let me go ahead and do something here real quick. Okay. Let's see. Yo, bro, I'm new to your community. It's possible to pass your challenge. Yes, a lot of people have already passed their challenges in my group. Let's take a look here. Boom. What do you think about using the 2 minute time frame? I think that's too much noise in my opinion. Noise meaning like it's too much to look at. I only look at these lower time frames when I'm already in the trade, right? So I'm not trading based off those time frames, but I'm not executing based off those time frames. I'm executing based off 30-minute, 15-minute confirmations, and then I'll look possibly enter on the 5 minute. But not, I don't recommend that to new traders because they're focused too much on the little moves rather than focusing on the bigger picture and catching that bigger move. That makes sense? I mean, only using trades from your channel and VIP. Yes, yes, you can definitely. But at the end of the day, that's not what I want you guys, anyone to focus on if they join my group. I want you guys to focus on the knowledge I give and actually learn how to trade. You know, like not just be fully dependent on my signals. You know, which it works out for a lot of people, but that shouldn't be your goal. That shouldn't be the mentality to have if you're trying to become a full-time trader. You know. Like I would say like a year and 8 months I've been trading. Low time frames for yes, yeah, definitely you can use it like that as well. Dollar, all I want to say is thank you. You've done a lot for so many. Thank you, bro. It means a lot. Your support, all you guys' support is fire. Yeah, I understand, but I always broke my plan. Well, then you have to. What really helped me when I first started trading is writing out my plan. You know, like writing it on like a little board or a picture or something that I can look at every single day. You know, I look at my trading plan. If the trading plan is correct, okay, then why are you taking that trade? Now when you lose and you broke one of your rules, usually when I lose is because I break one of my rules. So write out your trading plan so you can actually see it every single day, and I think that can definitely help you out. But if you're coming into the markets with no plan, you're gonna lose long term. Yeah, you might win a day or two, but long term you will blow account. What do you think about the DXY? I haven't looked at the DXY recently, but let's take a look. DXY, I think we're bearish on DXY to be honest. Yeah, bearish overall. I think that the US dollar needs to come down a bit, and we stop printing money, so this shouldn't keep going up like this. So, or maybe we could continue up, right? I think that everything is gonna come down, guys. I'm just bearish. Why I've only been taking self. Like I just miss out on the buys every time. I'll miss out on the buys to catch the sells, and there's no problem with that, you know. Uh, s- that mentality is for us part-time traders. Oh, this song's fire. Yo, dog. Let's see. That mentality is only for us part-time traders. So I want to use your trades to pass challenges because sometimes I can do like 7% of wins in a month. What do you mean 7%? So guys, I'm thinking about taking somebody's signals. If you guys, I'm gonna take somebody's signals for like a week with like $1,000 account, and then see how they do, and make like a whole little YouTube vlog series thingy of me taking their trades for like a week or two. So let me know. What do you guys think I should take? I want a good one though. I don't want like a bad one. Let's do it. Take my trades. I might take buys here at the breakout, bro. I don't think I'm gonna take them right now. That's fire. Take Nas buys. Mamba FX, Lambo 212. It's 1 to 8 RRs. Okay, I might be thinking about him. Nina. But Nina's more of a swinger though. And I only have a week. Bro, I know, I fuck with Doyle Exchange heavy, bro. Shout out to my boy. Doyle Exchange is the GOAT. I watch his videos a lot. Trade straight off the 5-minute time frame though. It's pretty insane. Take a chance on me, daddy. Yeah, I can throw .01s with anyone's signals. Wait, Manol, do you have a signal chat? Or no? Ever watch Controller Effects? Cool dude, yeah. Yeah, I fuck with Controller Effects. I sometimes go on a stream and you know, donate and shit. He's a good guy, I fuck with him. From the 6. Stop loss has to be within this range. I kinda wanna take a trade that looks like stop loss here, target here, and target here. Yeah, so I just say it's pips. Pips, points, same difference. So this is actually 40 points, 400 pips. BTC thoughts? I'm just glad we're above 30K. Here yesterday I was fucking terrified. But I'm glad we're just ranging here now. This could be down channel, side channel. What comes next? Up channel, hopefully. We just gotta be patient and wait. See. Thank you for the sub, bro. It means a lot. Thanks, bro. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Um, I just don't like this at all, bro. Every time I take buys like this, we break the trend line. That's the only reason why I'm not in these buys just yet. I need some more confirmation. Thank you for the sub, bro. It means a lot. Do you trade Forex and crypto? I sometimes take crypto trades, but do I call signals for crypto trades? No. I might start. Oh shit, sorry. Zoom, my bad. That's stupid as fuck. They do that so people don't pay you. Let's take a look here. Love this black background. Facts, me too. Combining you and controller effects mentorship made me profitable. Love that guy. What's your trading plan? You can find it if you're in my VIP program and you haven't clicked this. I don't know why it's been doing this though, but okay, so right here, you click over here. Here you can see our results for the year. So like if you're new here, you can like see, okay, how have we done? And then you have January, you know, February. You have every single trade that I've called is literally right here. And then you also have like mentorship videos, which is like this, the link right above there. And then you have like access to all this stuff. So trading rules, this will be my trading plan. And then this can help you out for sure. And then if you go over here, setups, you have all my setups that I like to take them, how I like to take them. You have webinars, like these are hour-long webinars. You have free 101s that I used to give out. Thank you for the dollar, bro. Means a lot. I'll read your. Oh damn, you didn't put a message on it. You didn't put a message on it, sir. Appreciate you though. Check out BTC for potential buys on resistance, turn support, 50% level with 50 estimate. Nice. Take a look. Check out BTC for potential buys on resistance. I kind of don't like taking buys on resistance because, you know, we can have this area here. So there's a rule, right? A rule that I have. So we have a resistance and we have a support, correct? We have something like this going on. So where would you guys sell at? Where I would sell here, and I would sell here, right? Where would I buy? I would buy here, and I would buy here. In the middle of the range, I wouldn't do nothing. I'll wait for us to come down, either tap this area here and bounce, right? So that looks like this. I would wait for a bounce of this area to then take buys, or the breakout buy. I would take a bounce of this area for sells or a breakout sell. But that's like pretty much my rule. Oh. do Mamba signals, that would be interesting. I think I'm gonna do Mambas. Yeah, we might do Mambas. How much is it? Should be like what, $100? Oh, you want to sell eye resistance? Okay. Yay. There's no chance in how I'm doing AB trades. Potential change of structure on the 5 minute. If you look at that, yeah. For what pair, bro? Can you look at GJ? Yeah. What about it, sir? On the 5 minute, it looks like regular retest. 15-minute bullish engulfing candle. But I don't want to. There's just not a lot of range here. I mean, there is, right? 20 pip range to the upside. I like these buys better because now you get a big push. I like to look for like 30 pip ranges. I'm looking at gold buys. I'm not gonna take gold. I'm not taking Nas just yet, bro. Not yet. Damn, bro, you guys are going nuts with the fucking. Thanks for the support, man. It means a lot. I might have to take the Nas buys now, right? Donate $5. At least I get back some losses if we lose. Tiene. It should be like, I think it on FX Live. Nas is let me see. Let me take a look. No way, they deleted him again? No way, bro. There's no way.
No, I'm so bad. Bad again, dude.
Damn, bro. They got my boy again. Like, yo, when are they just gonna fucking... When are they just gonna let us fucking chill, man? That's why I'm private. I'm private on my Instagram right now until like, yo, these people just stop. Because what they do is they send like, so like if you're public, what they can do is, since anybody can see your page, what they'll do is that they'll send you bot followers first. They'll send you bot followers first, and then what they'll do is start sending fake accounts to report your account. Like report, until finally Instagram says, yo, like what the fuck is going on, and then they take down your account. Bro, it's fucking annoying, dude. Like, what is that? So annoying. Like, Instagram needs to get their shit together. But that's why I'm on TikTok. I'm a TikToker now. But there's nothing like Instagram, to be honest. Instagram's a different beast. But they really have to fix that, bro, because it can't be that people just, you know, attack us, hate on us. You know, competition's good, right? But that's just hate. You know, like they're just hating, which it's not very nice. So stupid, bro. We can, dude. There's no way of us finding out who the hell's doing it. We have a clue, but we'll never have a definitive answer. What we need to do is sue them, bro. So let me go ahead and show you. There's these people that have been following CRM Jewelers. They were getting their page attacked as well. And let me see if I can find it. Contigo mejor. Guys, I'm not taking another trade on gold until this 30-minute candle closes. So just be patient. But yeah, it can bleed right now. Yeah, it might do it about Lambo. Alright, so guys, look at this.
Tell me a little bit more about
It's official. As you guys know, a lot of people always report people on Instagram for no reason. Mostly haters. It happens to all my clients.
Right.
There's really no way of reaching out to Instagram unless, in my experience, suing them. I've sued them many times because if they take your page away, what do? You gotta send a picture with an ID and do like a mugshot. There's no customer service. There's not a person you can call. There's no. If Instagram takes your page out, you know, in other words, you're effed up. That's it. There's no getting it back. Now, whenever you sue them, automatically, if you sue them in court, they have an attorney. Once you have that attorney representing Instagram, he has total access to Instagram's people. I talk to the attorney, and you know, the case starts. They'll activate the page again. I have a really good relationship with them. But sometimes what my client wants is not even the page back. They want to find out who did it.
Right, which is the second question.
It's like, I want to find out who did it. And in deep discovery, sometimes if you can get to deep discovery, it depends on the case, you can find out who did it.
Yeah, because they have this information.
Yeah.
Whoever attacked, because this is the second time this happens, and obviously, more than likely, it's the same people that brought us down the first time.
Absolutely, and you know what? We're going to get to the bottom of that because it happens a lot that people try to mess with you. They did it in my law firm. Another law firm reported me for whatever reason. They took my
Are you gonna wait for me, Gold,
I
or
have
what?
a lot of clients in my page for car accidents.
But yeah, so we gotta talk to that guy. And he's here in Miami. So if anybody has their Instagram taken down, Robert Dominguez the Founder's Law. That's who we got. Nah, it's probably gonna leave without us, bro. But I'd rather wait for confirmations than take an impulse entry right now. Solicitándote. mid. Gold is going to 1875 again? Possibly. I see us going down to 1850, bro. First. Like breaking out of this little freaking trend that we've been in. To really bleed. I'm bearish. I'm just so bearish on everything. Yeah, could happen, Manuel. Definitely could happen. Yeah, my spot's going nuts though. Yeah, me too, Dylan. I think that long term we should be coming down on gold, right? Long term. Back to like 1780. I called this level before on stream, and I told you guys, if we're at 1780, just know that, you know, the mid. So is GJ's, so is Nas. Yeah, for EJ guys, we're just in a range. We're just in a range here. I wouldn't touch EJ. So we break out with confirmations. So what I'll do every day is I already have my daily zones. Daily zone. So I don't really need to zoom out. I do it every day. I do a fresh chart analysis every single day.
¿En serio que te estás yendo? ¿Qué vamos a hacer con el niño? Tú eres la que querías tener niños, te recuerdo. I told you I didn't want to have kids and you're the one that want to have kids.
For like gold, same. But for gold, what I've noticed, since I'm a scalper, I don't really need every single zone, right? But this will be a daily zone. But you know, since I'm just a scalper, I'm too focused on everything. Asia's a trader. Come London session, all these pairs will take their mask off. BR, what is your sell target? It's a great question. What is your sell target, bro? Yeah, I haven't talked to JP in a while, man. I'm gonna give him a call tomorrow. He's been on his own shit. Hey, thank you for your sub, man. Patiently waiting. 15-minute closed. I want to see a wick come back up over here. There's a 1860 area. Reject it. Come down, break this zone, and then I'll be in. To target our lows over here. I need a bigger wick than that though. How old are you, bro? I'm 23. How old are you guys? Everyone in the chat, how old are you guys? Do you trade Asian? Yeah, sometimes. Recently I haven't been though. Hey, can you show me what time frame did you get your support and resistance from? So these right here are on the 30-minute time frame.
Quizá fui muy ignorante, hay cosas que no sabemos.
21, 24, 23, 22, 19, 17. Damn, Solomon, you're youngin'. 23, Dub, 23. 10 years old? Shut up, bro. I don't believe you. Vibrator. 54. Nice. Who here feels like they're profitable? Put a 1 in the chat if you feel like you're profitable. Put a 2 in the chat if you feel like you're break even. And put a 3 in the chat if you feel like you just don't know what you're doing. Break even. Break even is probably one of the hardest stages to, you know. 2, 1, nice, nice. Lost my house but profitable. You think we're in a simulation? Yes. If Elon Musk says it, yes. 90 years old? Yeah, right. You think we're in a simulation? Boom, boom, boom. Now I have another question for you guys. Where do you feel like you're going wrong? For everybody who put 3 in the chat or 2 in the chat, what do you think needs to happen for you guys to break out, right? Because right now you're consolidating and break even. You're not losing, but you're not really winning. Where do you feel like you guys are going wrong? The eagerness to trade, bias. Okay, over trading, stop doing it. 1 to 3 trades a day, and what's gonna help you stop doing it is journaling all your trades that you take. Because if you have to give a full analysis on every trade you take, you're not gonna take 10, 20 trades a day. You're not gonna do it because you have to go to your journal and you have to explain every single one of your trades. Bad stop loss, or maybe I don't take a trade and I take the fake out. Okay, that's normal, bro. That'll come with time. Focus on the setups that are working for you, bro. Don't trade everything you see. Focus on the setups that work for you. $200 a day is a good target. Sticking to the strategy and over trading. Well, it's literally in your question. Stick to your strategy, bro. Stop trying to do stuff that you haven't done in the past. Stick to your strategy. You guys gotta move stop loss and profit once you're blue. Yeah, definitely. What I used to do a couple weeks ago is whenever I'm halfway into profit, I'll just move my stops to break even, and then whatever happens happens. I'd rather be break even than loss, right? Most of the time when my trades are in profit, we will take profit. So, and then trade it. Yep, you see Manuel has good pointers here for you guys. Risk management, trail it. Yep. strategy switching kills the most problem. Yeah, I think that you should just stick to a strategy, right? Stick to a strategy for a good amount of time for you to actually build confidence in that strategy, because when you're learning a strategy, you really don't have that confidence, right? Because you haven't won with the strategy, you don't really know how it works, so you're not executing when you should. But with time on one certain strategy is when everything should change for you guys. So who here feels like they're gonna become profitable in the next 6 months? It's a great question. Oh yeah, that's the mentality, bro. At the end of the day, you have to believe it first. If you wanted to have it, you gotta believe in yourself. If not, it's not gonna happen. I wouldn't buy gold now, no. Can we buy here? No. 36 months. But remember, guys, just because I say no, if you see buys, then take your fucking buy. But my opinion, I wouldn't take that. 2020. So 2020, April 2020 is when no, August 2020 is when I first got my first course. Where would your stop loss be in gold? It'll either, if we flip bearish on this candle, it'll be current candle high. The target by 101. You gotta believe in yourself, bro. A lot of people, you know, I feel like I believe in my students more than they believe in themselves sometimes. I try to stick to support and demand, but I try to take head and shoulders trades too much and get stopped out. Yeah, because head and shoulders don't always play out, especially when the head and shoulders is way too clean. What I've noticed is price will come stop you out just because it looks clean. Like when it's too good to be true, I try to stay away from those trades. Because what the market wants to do is fake everyone out. I know everyone is on a different learning curve, but how long did it take you to become profitable? 8 months to become profitable, and then consistently profitable like after the first year and a half. But year and like 2 months, year and a month, I was seeing consistent profit. But a big thing of that is to have a good mentor, you know? Make sure that mentor is actually, you know, there for you and answering your questions and giving you all the knowledge you need in order to become profitable. Because I'm telling you, like, if you have shitty mentor, you're gonna have a shitty trading career. Simple. Make sure it doesn't even have to be me, guys, but I had a great fucking mentor. Me definitely send. Oh yeah, Daily Tech, you got this, brother. Yeah, if you guys aren't following my Twitter is fucking popping. I give you guys daily motivation, bro. So if you guys feel like if you guys lost the day before, you get a little motivational quote in the morning to help you know reset. I heard you're losing a lot lately. No, I haven't been losing a lot. I mean, this month was very tough for me, but we're profitable, so that's all that I care. So look, what a lot of people do, right? So let's say what a lot of people do is they win, and then when the losses come, they do this. So they lose all their profits and more. Me, what I try to do is I win, but we're usually break even, right? Meaning we'll lose one, win one, lose one, win one. I don't go on losing streaks. What I go on is like these moments here, right? Like where I win one, lose one, win one, lose one, win one, lose one. But then eventually when we come back in the group, like right now I'm on a 4-trade win streak. So we're able to maintain those profits that we got over here and then continue growing my account. And that's because no forcing trades, taking the same trades, but understanding that, you know, price can either, you know, come down. Price can come down or up, but you need to have your own, you can't give up, you know? Yeah, exactly. So make sure you guys are focused on doing this rather than winning, and then when one loss happens, you lose all your profits. Focus on winning, 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 winning. Win one, lose one, win one, lose one, win two, lose one, whatever it is. And then, you know, just continuously uptrend. Daniel Savage was my mentor, bro. Mentor, friend, brother. That's my boy. Let's take a look here. They go on win streaks, over leveraging and clap. Yeah. I'm losing continuously. So I just brought Roger Banks' course. Did he ever take it? Yeah, I fell asleep during it like 18 times. How did he meet Daniel? We used to be neighbors, and then one night we just got together and kicked things off. I met him the first time at an in-person, but I was very shy and shit. Because think about it, like, you look up to someone every fucking day of your life. You watch all his YouTube videos. You know, you strive to be like him. So when I met him, I was very nervous, and I wasn't profitable when I met him, right? In the meet and greet, I was not profitable, so I didn't have the confidence that I have now, you know? So now it's a different story, you know, but that's how I met him. I met him at the in-person, like, meet and greet thingy. And then one day, I guess, he needed lemons, and he got my number from one of my friends, and I didn't answer. And then I called him that night, and I think we hanged out that night, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Very good guy, very good friend. Please give me a trade. Lost 39. Damn, Jesus Christ. How do you lose 39 trades in a row? Is Savage Gang accepting new members? Bro, we don't really look for members, I would say. What we do is just look for, you know, how do I say this? If we relate to you and you're a good trader, then you could be Savage Gang. But we have to fuck with you, you know? We have to, like, actually get along and, like, build a real relationship, you know? Because a lot of people try to be friends with us, but it's for, you know, something in it for them. You know, we don't like that too much, you know? All of our relationships are organic, and we didn't ask anybody for anything, but we still give each other stuff. You know what I mean? That's how it is. Members just happen, exactly. But Daniel's live, so I'm gonna go over there and I'm gonna go over there. Alright, see you guys all there. Let's see. Can I redirect my audience? Let me redirect. How to? I think I can just send you guys. Hey, what's up? Did you watch that Gaethje Oliveira fight? Yeah, bro, that shows insane. And I feel bad for Oliveira because there was actually a problem with the scale. So somebody messed with the scale. Okay. I think there's a way of me. Hold up, I need to. Oh, right here. I need to catch a UFC fight in person. Facts, me too, bro. Soon. I think that's gonna be my next trip. My next trip will be buying tickets and doing that. Yeah, like this is so stupid. Yeah, it's not letting me though, guys. So I'll figure out how to do that. Daniel Savage is about flexing left no more. He's saying, yep, and he's teaching us that as well. All right, guys. So if we break this low, I'm gonna be in for this trade, okay? This low right here, I'll be in for some sells on gold, but I'm gonna be over there. So I'll catch you guys all there. Peace.